to say. I was really afraid to even talk about it. Guess I'm taking the blame. Lately I've been thinking, what if I don't feel guilty? You know what you said and it's bad. Broke my heart in pieces, tried to make me believe in everything you said and demand. And I won't go, even if you pick me up in a new Ferrari. I don't know what I wanna hear from you when you try to call me. I'm so cold. Everything you said, I know you don't feel sorry. Yeah, you heard what I said, but you don't care about it.